Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explore about bill to sales collection condition entry. Bill to sales collection condition entry is the program where you can see the detail of bill and sales collection. Well, first talk about the master table. Customer type is a kind of group of customer that can be defined by you. You can group them from their origin, for example, domestic sales customer and overseas sales customer. Bill to is the company who is responsible to pay. Distribution channel is a kind of a group of distribution that can be defined by you. You can group them as from their scale of buying. For example, wholesale store and retail store. Bill to number is a unique number. It's just for number registration. Standard supply means the option for you to choose the term of collection. For example, collection condition by bill to and collection condition by hours. Collection condition by bill to means you collect the amount by the customer's policy, and collection condition by hours means you collect the amount by your company's policy. Billing method. Billing method is the method in sending bills to customers. You may choose as by lines or aggregation. By lines mean you send them one invoice alongside with one delivery note, and aggregation mean you send them an invoice alongside different delivery note, and delivery note is more than one in one sales invoice. Then, let's talk about the company base. Company base is the information of company, regulation or basic policy in running their business. For PT Global Effort Trading, they use invoice sales. Number of applicable standard has two options, standard collection cycle and specified payment collection date. Standard collection cycle means is the date you have to collect the amount after you send the invoice. Most of company will using 14 days to collect the amount in order to control the delivery note. And specified payment collection date means you have to collect the amount in certain date in every month. Standard collection cycle day is the number of days you collect the amount. You enter the longest day on standard collection cycle to control the delivery, and we recommend you to use standard collection cycle in order to prevent sending the item to the company which unpaid the previous invoice. Collection month is a month you want to collect the amount. The system lets you choose 7 different options. Collection date is the date in one month which refers to the collection month. Bill to base. Bill to base, the data in bill to base is automatically connected to the company base. For one example here, Agara Lokasi Alkesindo has adjusted by this company using collection condition by bill to and with its adjustment billing method and also the rest row. You cannot change the setting into collection condition by hours, and you cannot modify billing method and the rest row by manually. You only can change the setting standard to applies in another different screen. So that's the final of bill to sales collection condition entry. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.